All right, what's up everybody? Ben Tankersley here with CtrlStrum and CtrlStrum tutorials. Before we jump into the tutorial, I just want to seriously say thank you. I posted my song Touched Out the other day, or just a clip of the song, and a bunch of you left some really thoughtful comments, and someone actually asked me to teach them the song and asked for a tutorial, and honestly that's a really big deal for me. It's the first time anyone's ever asked me to make them a tutorial on my own channel for my own song, and it wasn't even my mom, as far as I know, or my friends hyping me up. It was a legit stranger online, so I really appreciate that, and that's really cool. And if you commented, liked it, or if you're just here watching now, thank you as well, and I appreciate you. I'll give you a quick bit of context about the song. I started writing Touched Out during my last relationship, or towards the end of it, and I guess the best way to put this is sometimes people just reach their emotional limits and they're overwhelmed and they're tired and they're touched out. And on my side of it, I tend to immediately blame myself, even when I don't fully understand what happened in this situation. So the song kind of lives there in that space, just trying to hold on, feeling like you're too much and not knowing what to do with that. And hopefully you can, or hopefully you can't connect with it, but you know, if you're going through it, then I hope it helps you. And tutorial time, here we go. Tutorial time with Ben. The first thing you're going to want to know is this song is not in standard tuning. If you can't tell by me strumming my strings, I will tell you what it is. It's open E-ish, kind of. Classic open E is from the bottom to the top string E, B, E, G sharp, B, and E. This tuning is E, G sharp, B, F sharp, B, and E flat. Alright, once you're tuned up into this open E-ish tuning, you're going to want one of these, okay? You're going to want to take it, you're going to want to put it on the 2nd fret. And we're going to put ours upside down, because we don't care. We don't play by the rules, okay? This is our own life. But you do whatever you'd like. It's your life. Now it should sound like that, okay? So, this whole song revolves around 3 chords. Pretty simple, right? All you're going to need is to take your middle finger, flip everybody off. You're going to go 1, 2, 3, and then you're going to go 5th string, 3rd fret from the capo. And you're going to play everything else open. Boom. Okay? First chord, done. Next chord, you're going to take your ring finger. You're going to keep that one pressing down. Ring finger, 6th string, 4th fret from the capo. That's your 2nd chord. Congratulations. You're almost done. Now, the next chord, you're going to go down with your pointer finger. Keep this one going the whole time. Everything open down here. Pointer finger is going to go to the 2nd fret, 6th string. That's your 3rd chord. You just learn the whole song, and then it just goes back and forth. Very cool. But wait. There's more. We gotta get my other guitar. Perfect. Alright, so we're here together. New guitar, new tuning. I'll tell you about that tuning right now. Basically, you're gonna be in D-A-D, F sharp, A-D. And then you're gonna take it a half step down, okay? If you want to blame someone for me writing alternate tunings, you can blame my friend Brandon. I blame him. He knows. he did this to me, and there's no going back, and this is how I write songs now. And so thank you, Brandon, and here's how we play the second guitar part. So we're going to put our pointer finger, so once again, D, A, D, F sharp, A, D, take it a half step down. It should sound like that. Pointer finger, 5th fret, bar it. Bar it. If you got to push down on it a little bit, you can, but then you're going to have to come over here. So you're going to take your ring finger, and you're going to put it on the 4th string and the 7th fret while keeping your bar. It's going to give you that magical chord right there. Lovely. Okay, that's your first chord. This song is only 3 chords once again, and you're just going back and forth. And so there's your first for the second guitar part. And then you're going to go all the way up to the 9th fret, and you're going to bar everything on the 9th fret. And then you're going to go to the 4th string, and you're going to take your pinky and put it on the 12th fret, and you're leaving your bar. It's going to sound a little dissonant. That's what you want, okay? Because you're going to take it, and you're going to resolve, okay? But anyway, so first chord once again, second chord, 9th fret, 12 with the pinky, 4th string. Then the last chord, we're going to go down to the 7th fret, and we're going to bar it. And we're going to go to 11 with our pinky. So from 9, 12. To the first chord. 9, 12, 7, 11, and home. And that's it. And the pattern on that is our rhythm. And that's it. Congratulations. You just learned your first Ben Tank song. Hey man, I had a good time teaching it. I hope you had a good time learning it. Thank you for everybody who tuned in today. Like and subscribe if you want more videos like this. Let me know what other songs you want to learn. I'm here for you. I'm here to build a community of people who love to create and who love to build and solve problems. And I'm here for every single one of you. And so thank you for being here for me. And this has been Tank, signing off.